as I know I am. It's been several months we've been working on this project, and we are so excited to be here. I'm so honored to represent Nerium, especially our back office team back in Dallas, along with the field leadership here. How many leaders do we have here from North America, from the US? Can I hear you out there? So seriously, I truly want to thank you all for coming to our official opening. This has been a very, very long time coming. And so special thanks again to our staff that's been working late hours around the clock to make this happen for all you brand new brand partners. Do you realize right now that you are also being watched by over 1,000 people live streaming for this auditorium right now? Let them hear you. Let them hear you, Mexico. So as Mark and Dennis and Alfonso talked about, we talked about our products and our global expansion strategy. In April, we launched Optimira. And then also in April, we launched 2 provinces in Canada. And then shortly after that, in July, we officially opened up in Canada. And guess where we're at now? Here in Mexico. So in November, we're going to have our brand center open up in Canada. And by the end of December, we are targeting to open up our brand center here in Mexico City. So this is our second stop on our worldwide tour for expanding and going global. So as they talked about earlier today, we are a real company with real people. We're in a real class space with real class products and a real class business model. You're in a groundbreaking opportunity right now. Part of my job is to get to go around the world to the different countries, ensure we have the registration, all the licenses, all the manufacturing pieces in place, and to ensure that you have a world-class experience. When Nerium started, they wanted to ensure that we led the pack in direct sales, that we came across as the best company in this industry. So one of the reasons I came to Nerium, definitely because of the loving, caring, sharing environment. It's one system, one family. We're all united, one purpose. So as we go around the world, we will have one system all the way around the world. Everything will be seamless. As we go around the world, there is tremendous growth opportunity. Do you realize that? You are in a very, very unique situation. In the US is a $32 billion market. In Canada, over a $2 billion market. And here in Mexico, $8 billion just in direct sales for Mexico. So we are definitely going global. Why? Because we want to change people's lives. We want to take our message of Nerium all the way around the world. Next stop for us will be over in Asia Pacific. How many of you want to travel over to Asia? Better yet, how many of you want to go down to Colombia? I figured there would be more interest there. So Mexico, you heard from Dennis, you've heard from Jeff Olson, our founder, you've heard from people like Jeff Dahl, right, co-CEO, that we're here to do it right. We're here to make a difference. We're here to stay in Mexico. Mexico's been waiting way too long for a company like Nerium to come by and mess it up. We're here to do it world class, just like we did in US, just like we did in Canada. I'm here to tell you, we are the company. We will be the #1 company here in Mexico. Excited about that? Want to be part of the #1 company? So as we go around the world, we started off in the US, went to Canada, now we're in Mexico. Where's next? Just think about that for a moment. Where are we going next? So for those of you that are coming to our Long Beach event, you will see where we're going next. It all starts with building in your backyard. So one of the approaches that we will be deploying in Long Beach is, I call it the United Nations approach. We will start catering to the ethnic groups in the U.S. We will support Spanish, Japanese, Chinese, Korean. We're going to start expanding all of our tools to support these ethnic groups. That helps us catapult us into these other countries that we're going to. So with that, you will be in the U.S. and you'll be able to explain our comp plan, our products, our package, our system, our one family, right? Everything will be translated into those different languages for you to ensure that you can grow your business and be successful in this business. So just imagine where you're going to be in a few years. Brazil, $12 billion country. Japan, $23 billion direct selling industry in Japan. Russia, ever been to Russia? 3.6 billion in Russia. Korea, 12.9 billion. So just imagine, would you like a small piece of that pie? Just a small piece? Well, I want to help you get that small piece of that pie. That's why I'm here. So with Nerium's system, process, we are not just going into new countries. We're not just a unified approach. We're building in your backyard with these different languages that we have. Also, our systems are world-class systems, all the way from our Nerium communication center in the back office, all the way to our IT systems, to our websites, to our world compensation plan that's going to be seamless. So what does that mean for you? You get to build here in Mexico, or you can build in the US, or in Canada, or any other country we go to. Our compensation plan will be seamless and it will all roll into your organization. That is very, very unique with us. So with Nerium, we're here to make a world-class impact with a world-class model. So part of the success that we have by doing that is ensuring that we have customer service here for you. So we have partnered with a company called Televista, and they do all your customer service support here in Mexico. As we expand around the world, we'll do the same in these different countries so that you can experience the same customer service you have wherever you go around the world. Our logistics, our manufacturing products will meet up to our standards. So we will duplicate our business, again, all around the world with our amazing back office tools, the communication tools that we have. And just think about this, technology today. Do you remember 10 years ago, technology? You had the old phones, then came out the bag phones, now cell phones. Well, in today's world, you can send email, text messages. You can send our whole presentation at a push of a button all the way around the world. And you can start building this business right here from your backyard. So who's ready to just rock this country? Who's with me? Well, network marketing, do you know that referral, most people go with a referral. 93% people believe in a referral versus an advertisement or something like that. In this business, that's what we do. You refer a product to someone, they use it because it's a real product, they get real results, and then they sign up in your business. So now we have everything we need to be successful. The only thing that we're wanting to capitalize on now is leaders like you. So it is my honor to be part of this family. I welcome you into the Nerium family. Thank you so much for having us here. Thank you, thank you, thank you for being part of Nerium. You guys have a great day.